We're gonna finish up the liner because we've got a very cool wallpaper to show you and some great installation tips. But first, let's see what Tac Renata from FHIA has for us today.
I'm Tac Renata with FHIA, and today we're at a home where the family had to change out their windows. Not only did they want to provide better hurricane protection for this hurricane season, but they wanted to make their home more energy efficiency and asked if we could please do something to stop the bugs from coming into the home where the windows weren't sealed properly. So I think we're going to be able to accomplish all that today. Let's take a look at how everything's going. Probably the most common window that we're replacing here in South Florida is the old aluminum jalousie windows. For this homeowner, it was a problem because not only did it not provide them hurricane protection or energy efficiency, but they weren't sealing well at all. They were getting a lot of bugs into the home, and they really wanted to change it out. They decided to go with a great product from Custom Window Systems. This is going to give them the hurricane protection they were looking for. They also chose to order the window with Solar Max Glass technology, which is going to reflect all the heat away from the home. They're going to love the decisions that they made. Perfect timing on the installation, because this is a really important part of the process, and something that we discuss often is when we remove the existing windows from the home, there's really nothing in here to fasten the new windows into. So we talk a lot about installing new wood buck frames, and these wood bucks are going to go into this opening right now so that when we install the new frame, it'll go into the wood buck and then into the concrete block. So this will be a real secure opening to keep the family safe during the storm. Another really good installation. Everything went perfectly, and the family's going to love the added hurricane protection they're going to have for this hurricane season. They're also going to love how comfortable the home's going to be, and it's not going to be such a bad thing to save a lot of money on their utility bills. They'll recognize that right away. And the biggest thing for them when we met them was, we got to do something to stop the bugs from coming into the house. Well, we solved that problem by windows that are really sealed properly, and they're going to certainly be happy not having those bugs as their guests anymore. So everything turned out perfectly here. Back to you, Elena.